Alright guys, we are reviewing the Swiss Tech London kit. It is a pretty well-known kit. They sell these at Walmart. I saw these all over Facebook. Apparently they're really hard to get. Here's everything inside. You guys can pause and read, but we're just going to get right into it. Okay, so it comes with a small fixed blade. Pretty cool looking, kind of strange, but I kind of like the design of it. We also have our little tinder scraper, kind of looks like a cheese scraper, pretty much the same thing. We have our little flint striker. I wish they kind of put a whistle on the end of this to add another object to the mix. Again, here's our fixed blade. Now we have our magnesium and flint rod, pretty cool. And we have our little metal straw to help us start fires with. It also comes with some tinder. We're going to be using one of these to start a small fire. Alright, starting off with the blade right out of the package. It's not the sharpest, but it'll make do. Pretty good. Yeah, is this worth $30? Maybe not. I mean, but the convenience for it, I mean, sure. I mean, I'd pay 30 bucks. I mean, I did. I'd throw this in any pack just to go hiking. Just something in the back. I mean, it's super light. Let me know, guys, and comment below. What do you guys think?